Welcome to the Torch Academy. In this episode, we'll walk you through how to sell your business yourself. No broker required. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. You have way more options than you think when it comes to selling your business. Online marketplaces put your listing in front of thousands of qualified buyers. AI tools can help you write your CIM, value your business, and prepare for due diligence. And if there are steps you're not comfortable handling yourself, you can hire an M&A attorney or CPA for just those parts, at a fraction of what a full broker commission would cost. You don't have to do everything alone, and you don't have to hand over 10 to 12% either. There's a whole spectrum in between. Let me walk you through the 6 steps. First, get a valuation. You can start with free online calculators, then invest in a professional market analysis for $500 to $1,000. Second, prepare your CIM. AI writing tools and templates make this easier than ever. Third, list your business on an online marketplace using a blind listing so nobody knows it's you. Fourth, screen your buyers. Ask for proof of funds and have them sign NDAs before revealing details. Fifth, negotiate the deal. If you have an M&A attorney, lean on them to guide you here. Sixth, close the deal. If you have an attorney and CPA, they'll handle the paperwork for you. That's it. 6 steps. You can absolutely do this. You have 2 powerful resources at your disposal. Online marketplaces give you access to thousands of qualified buyers without anyone knowing it's your business. And if there are parts of the process you're not comfortable handling yourself, you can bring in professionals for just those steps. An M&A attorney typically runs $200 to $400 an hour, or $3,000 to $8,000 for the whole deal. A CPA is $150 to $300 an hour, and a valuation specialist is usually a flat fee of $1,000 to $5,000. Add it all up, and you're looking at $6,000 to $18,000 total for a full professional team. Compare that to a broker who might take 8 to 12% of your sale price. On a $500,000 business, that's $40,000 to $60,000. So even hiring every professional on this list still saves you real money. Let's talk real numbers. If you hire an M&A attorney, a CPA, and a valuation specialist to support your sale, you're typically looking at $6,000 to $18,000 total. A broker, on the other hand, takes 8 to 12% of your sale price. On a $500,000 deal, that's $40,000 to $60,000. So even if you hire every professional on the list, you're still saving $20,000 to $40,000 compared to a full broker commission. Now, I want to be clear, brokers can absolutely be worth the money. If you don't have the time or the process feels overwhelming, a good broker brings real value. They have buyer networks, negotiation experience, and they handle a lot of the heavy lifting. The right answer depends entirely on your situation, your comfort level, and how involved you want to be. There's no wrong choice here, only the one that fits you best. Here's the key takeaway. You have options. You can manage the entire sale yourself using online marketplaces and AI tools. You can hire professionals like an attorney or CPA for just the steps where you want expert guidance. Or you can work with a broker if you'd rather have someone handle the whole process. Any of those paths can lead to a great outcome. The important thing is that you understand what's available to you so you can make the choice that fits your situation. Nobody knows your business better than you, and nobody should pressure you into one approach over another. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, head over to torchapp.io/signup to create your free account. Torch uses AI to help you navigate buying or selling a small business, whether you're just exploring or ready to make a move. And don't forget to subscribe for more episodes from the Torch Academy.